Stacy Shalkowski, and I'm a Student Activities Associate. Here at St. John Vianney, you'll find me planning things like your prom, your homecoming dance, building of floats, and all the fun activities you can become involved in. Being involved is becoming a well-rounded student here at St. John Vianney. You can get involved in athletics, clubs, the fall drama, spring musical, live morning announcements, National Honor Society, you name it, we've got it for you. There's something here for everyone. You can even get involved in the Student Senate. And being involved in Student Senate means helping me plan your prom and homecoming as well. You get to help me choose the venue, choose your decorations, and choose your theme. A few of our big events that go on through the year are things like homecoming dance and homecoming float building, where you can become involved in building a themed float that goes around the track during our halftime of our homecoming football game. Or you can get involved in Battle of the Classes, where we compete against freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors in events like the three-legged race, the egg toss, or your finale dance. And even more exciting is the walkathon, where all our grades get involved in playing games like Hungry Hungry Hippo, you get to Zumba dance, or just walk around the track to enjoy a nice day out in the sun.
We have so many opportunities for all the students to get involved. Mainly we have our clubs. We have over 40 clubs here. Social clubs, academic clubs, support clubs. Some of our support clubs are animal awareness, sustainability club. We have fun clubs. I run the empowerment club, where you get to do things that you don't normally feel comfortable doing, get a little out of your comfort zone. We've done rock climbing and zip lining, and then we provide a service. So anything that we do to empower ourselves, we then take it further and donate to different organizations or help different organizations. Some of the other clubs that we have and activities that we have are our student government, and we really encourage you to get involved with student government. If you become an officer of your class, you get to pick senior sweatshirts, you get to design them. You're in charge of Battle of the Classes, which is so much fun. We have different field days and things like that.
As a club moderator, I'm starting up a mentoring group which will consist of upper class leaders that will take incoming freshmen and new transfer students and help them transition into a new high school life. They will be better connected and bond with similar interests so that they can create a better and great high school life.
I'm the Director of Performing Arts at St. John Vianney High School. Our school offers students many options to be involved in the performing arts, either on stage or behind the scenes. Our theater is referred to lovingly as the Little Theater, even though it is our only theater, and it's not that little. The theater has undergone extensive upgrades in the last years, including installation of state-of-the-art lighting and sound systems, which are more advanced than those found at most colleges. SJV participates in the Basie Awards, among others, and we have been nominated and won many awards over the years. We have also taken part in the competitive Metro Scholars Program at Two River Theater. Our performing arts offerings include musical theater, show choir, tech crew, stage crew, liturgical choir, and band. Depending on student interest, our performing arts department stages several productions a year. In the 2018-2019 school year, we produced 3 musicals: Little Shop of Horrors, The Sound of Music, Once on This Island, along with 2 show choir productions. Our show choir, Lancer Harmonies, is a group that combines vocals with dance in several performances a year. Mr. Tom O'Brien is our instrumental music instructor. Mr. O'Brien instructs a liturgical choir who provides musical accompaniment at our school masses. There is quite a bit of crossover in all the groups, with many students taking part in all of our offerings.
Here at SJV, we try to make it really easy for you guys to get involved and to stay active.
We want your voice to be heard. We want you to be a big part of our community, and that means being involved. So be a part of our student life here at St. John Vianney High School and help plan your future as a Lancer with me.